Alright, that video didn't work very well. Take two. Here's my workspace, mostly cleaned out now. Ramps ready for the van, ladder to get on top, tools, parts, some lights, leaf blower, shelving to drop parts and junk, rubber areas to drop radiator, condenser, stuff like that, intercooler, shelter from the heat in the garage, and about to get started. Let's see where this video cuts off out of my. There's my oil again, and the van is over there. So I just washed it off, washed out the undercarriage, washed out the engine compartment, just water and soap, and then rinse in water. And I'm gonna pull it around and get it right back up in here. And the timeline is 2 days, so today is, I think it's still recording. Yep, it is. Just the screen went black here. I wonder if I touch it. Hey, that's magic. Okay, so it's still recording. Getting used to this GoPro Hero 7. It's an older camera, but it still does the job for what I need. I'll look at the footage after this clip to see what it looks like on a computer. So it begins. So again, today is Saturday evening, and I'm gonna work through until Monday evening. Be up and going on Tuesday. So we look at the van. Now I know the recording's working. So this is the ugly monster here. Did a test with gray paint 2 years ago. Didn't seal it at all. Faded. Gotta go. My kid's crying, and running back over here. Catch up in a minute.